Comic-Con. We're just getting ready to start things up here.
The new guys.
The new guys. We're new to the scene, man. Ready to be here. Randy the Rowdy Nerd Whittemore. What's up? Phil the McManus, your voice of the internet. And with me, the legend himself, Mr. Neal Adams.
Yes, he is. Yes,
what a pleasure to meet you, sir.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure to be
Mr. Adams.
Yeah, pleasure to meet you guys.
So yeah, it's Philadelphia Comic-Con. I think people should start coming down here this weekend. What do you think?
Well, let me just say this. When I first came to the Philadelphia Comic-Con, it was in a living room somewhere. I don't even know where it was. It was old, it was small, and it was tiny. It's grown like a monster. And if you're out there and you're in Philly or anywhere near Philly, which is, by the way, a beautiful town.
Oh, gorgeous out here.
Gorgeous town, okay? If you're anywhere out there, what happens to you is people come up to you and they say, what are you doing this weekend? And you go, and then you make up something. And then on Monday, you go back to work and people go, what did you do this weekend? And you know, I had a picnic, or whatever. And it's a lot of baloney, okay? This weekend, in your town, is a comic book convention. There's going to be 4 captains of the Starship Enterprise.
That's huge.
There's going to be Stan Lee. There's going to be actors out the wazoo. This is bigger than a circus.
It is. It is
a circus. This is today's circus.
It's a circus for us geek culture, us nerds.
It's like Disney World.
But you know what? It's for everybody.
It is.
I mean, they're talking about potentially hundreds of thousands of people coming to this.
Yeah, it's a big event.
This is look at the Avengers movie that's out. How many people are seeing the movie? More people.
5 times myself.
Right, 5 times yourself, and you're adding to. They're working toward their $2 billion.
Exactly. They're going to go for the #1 movie of all time, just behind Avatar and Titanic right now.
And I
go see it.
Exactly. And I think they're going to get it. The reason for it is because this is more fun than anything.
Exactly. Who didn't want to be a superhero when they grew up?
Well, beyond that, let's say you go to a circus, okay? You go for a circus for a couple of hours, you're exhausted, you're buying sodas and cotton candy and stuff. Come to a comic book convention, you get to meet wrestlers.
Yeah.
You get to meet Stan Lee and comic book people.
And Neal Adams.
There are people who come to these things and get drawings done or buy comic book pages, and they later on, 5-10 years later, they're putting their kids through college because they increase in price.
Indeed.
They increase in value.
Good
Comic
investments.
books. You can go up to your attic and look in your attic and see what's in your attic. You might have comic books that are worth money. This is the time. You know the way they talk about it? Oh, if I just saved my comic books.
Everyone.
This is the time.
Now's the time to get back into it.
I'm telling you, the worst that can happen is you'll have the best time of your life.
Absolute worst. And you get to hang out with Neal Adams, like you said. Stan Lee, Chris Hemsworth, the Rowdy Nerd, the voice of the internet, Pixelated D. We're happy to be here. We're beyond words. I came to come my first Comic-Con as a fan at 9 years old. 22 years later, I'm sitting here with Neal Adams telling you, come to Philadelphia. If you're in Massachusetts, Connecticut, New Jersey, California, come out to Philly. It's worth it. You get to come be part of this. That's what it is. It's a cultural thing where you can just feel it and become it.
By the way, bring your kids.
Yes.
Really, really bring your kids.
Not to our table, but bring your kids.
Don't let them listen to our stuff. You know better than that, but come over here, make them meet Neal.
Guys, on a serious note, this is my first Comic-Con ever. We've been walking around the convention center, which is humongous, by the way. And just hour by hour, more booths get up, more, famous people like Neal Adams sitting here. Neal Adams! You know, everyone's showing up. The toy huts are everywhere, the t-shirt huts, the movie memorabilia.
I saw an Ewok.
Yeah, hour by hour, everything just gets better and better and better and better. If you miss this, you will regret it. Come to Philly, have some fun.
There we go. And if you want to close it out, Neal, anything you have to say?
Well, let me say this. If this is the circus of the 20th century or the 21st century, these are the circus goers, and you can tell by the looks on their faces that they're having a great time. But it hasn't even started yet.
Nope, it hasn't. Thank you for being on Pixelated Dimensions, Neal. Great to see you.
Thank you, Neal, so much.
And we'll see you in Philly. There you go, Space.